Leading infectious disease expert in the United States, Dr Anthony Fauci, has warned that Christmas travel will increase the spread of the Omicron Covid-19 variant, even among those who are fully vaccinated. Dr Fauci said that on current trends, the spread of Omicron could put serious stresses on US hospitals. Governments in Europe are also watching the rapid spread of Omicron and debating the introduction of further restrictions to keep infection rates low. Mark Lobel reports.
Testing times in Florida for those waiting to find out if they have the virus. The southern state's Republican governor has rejected federal mask and vaccine mandates as its health department reports a doubling of infections and higher hospitalization rates over the past week.
It's kind of an inconvenience, but I mean, Florida is not being good about the mask mandate, so, these are the consequences.
It's crazy. I wish people got vaccinated.
We have so many people in this country who are eligible to be vaccinated who have not yet been vaccinated, and that's going to be a real problem for stress on the hospitals.
There's a surge in New York too.
New reported case on a 7-day average, astounding growth. This is the area obviously of tremendous concern, but again, we have tools to fight back.
President Biden is set to address Americans on Tuesday to unveil new measures to defeat the growing Omicron threat. Watching closely, Israel says it's considering adding the United States to its so-called red list of high-risk destinations, effectively banning travel there. Germany has become the latest European country to ban most travellers from Britain to try to slow the spread of the Omicron variant. From Monday, German nationals and residents will still be allowed to enter from the UK if they have a negative test and quarantine for 2 weeks, regardless of whether they have been vaccinated. As COVID surges across Europe, one of the many protests against state action to combat the pandemic took place in Greece. Here, not everyone is a believer in the power of vaccines. In a country with a comparably low vaccination rate and fines for over 60s who avoid the jab from next month. At this vigil in Austria, people mark over 13,400 COVID deaths there. As it's announced, their lockdown for the unvaccinated will ease for the holiday season as cases fall. But a full lockdown remains underway in the Netherlands until at least mid-January, and it's already proving tough for some.
I hope that we will tackle it well, and in a month we are further when that booster campaign gets going a bit. But you sometimes miss the long-term vision that is frustrating. You can no longer plan ahead. That is annoying, I think.
But planning ahead remains difficult, with studies into the severity of the new variant ongoing and signs surges are beginning to dissipate in a few countries. The global picture remains mixed. Mark Lobel, BBC News.